Acer Aspire 3 A315-510P-N100 comes equipped with Intel N100 processor. It also has 8 GB LPDDR5 on board and storage SSD 256 GB M2 PCIe NVMe option, offering flexibility for multitasking but not for gaming. Acer Aspire 3 A315-510P-N100. It has screen 15.6-inch FHD 1920 by 1080. Its screen is not very clear. When we use for a long time, it feels like the eye hurt. Acer Aspire 3 A315-510P-N100 laptops have a nice keyboard with good travel. With a battery 3-cell Li-ion 40Wh, the battery life on the Acer Aspire 3 A315-510P-N100 is not exceptional. Expect around 2 to 3 hours of moderate usage before needing to recharge. Acer Aspire 3 A315-510P-N100 comes with various ports, including USB, USB Type-C, HDMI, and headphone/microphone jacks, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices and peripherals. According to my review, there are no special features other than the low price. Therefore, before deciding to buy, please review for yourself.